Let me ask you guys a question. Here in Chiang Mai, where can you find super modern, brand new, amazing luxury condos with facilities to die for? As well as that, Italian restaurant, coffee shop and wine bar, all under the same complex. Join us today for this secret location and I'm going to show you everything. Coming with us today, I have my colleague Whoa! There she is. Let's go and have a look.
Nice and modern kitchen.
And dining area. Brand new, 94 square meters, super high-end, super modern, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Really nice master bedroom and a stunning modern bathroom. And amazing views, absolutely stunning.
Is that me?
No, the mountain.
Oh, sorry.
An amazing coffee shop. And an amazing Italian restaurant.
And a great fitness room.